Hello guys, how are you all? Let's learn new words for today. We are on day 2. So the new words for today are, number 1 is scarce. What is scarce? Scarce is not common or rarely seen. Okay, it can also be known as not plentiful, not sufficient to meet the demand, or hard to get. Something which is not easily available, which is hard to get, is called scarce. Okay, let's see how it is used in a sentence. Many natural materials are becoming scarce. A lot of natural resources, natural material are getting scarce. They are not plentiful, they are hard to get. Yes, so these meanings can be termed as scarce. Okay, let's see another example. Water is scarce in the desert. In desert area, water is not plentiful. It is rarely seen, or it is hard to get, or the demand which we have is not sufficient to be supplied. Okay, let's see another word. It is called simpleton. What is simpleton? A person who is stupid or easily deceived, or a fool, a person who does not understand things very easily. Okay, in Hindi we say दिमाग से पैदल, correct? Let's see another word. A person lacking intelligence or common sense, somebody who does not have common sense, so you can term him or her as simpleton. Let's see how it is used in a sentence. He looked at me as if I were a simpleton. Somebody looked at me as if I was a fool. A better word of fool is simpleton. Okay, let's see another sentence. The simpleton was so clueless he didn't realize that the paper was made out of wood. The person I'm talking about, he didn't even know that the paper is made out of wood. Okay, so we termed him as a simpleton. Let's see another word for today, that is trivial. What is trivial? Trivial is of little significance or value, that does not hold a good value, which is very simple. Okay, a simple word can be known as a trivial word. Okay, let's see how it is used in a sentence. Although the role seemed trivial at first, a good actor can use it to create a huge impact. Initially, when we just saw, we didn't see that this role could hold a good importance or can be of good value. Initially, it seemed to us as trivial, but if a good actor plays this role, it can create a huge impact. Yes, this is what the sentence is saying. So you can use this word trivial in context to easy or simple, or something which is of less significance or of less value. Let's see another sentence. It's a complete waste of time and energy to continue to argue over such trivial matter. Simple matter, a matter which does not even hold any value or significance. We should not fight over it. We should not argue over it. Okay. So these three words, how are these used in sentences with their meanings? I hope you'll be able to understand now, and you'll be able to use it in your daily language, or in improving your English as a language. Okay, I hope to see your comments in the comment box. How are you using these words and improving your English? Till then, stay tuned. We'll meet you again with another video with another few words that will help you definitely to have good command over English. Till then, bye bye, take care.